Hello and welcome to my channel. I installed a newer version of Unity because it's been a while that I'm not recording videos, and now the latest LTS release is 22, but I installed the 2021 version because it's much more lighter than the latest LTS version. And in this video I'm going to import our project into this version. I guess it's a good idea to make a backup from it right now. As you can see, we are importing it. Import it in a 1-year newer version. Should click on this and use our installs. Under our installs we can find this version 2021.3.29 F1. This is the version that I'm currently using, and yeah, I want to change the version. And we're waiting until it shows a message that your project was last saved with a different version of Unity, and it said this might causes a problem, so make sure you have backup. So we have a backup, so there is nothing to worry about. And it also says that see the log file to see if any changes occurs. So after a while the project finally opens, and I want to show you something. Something is very important for indie game developers. From the top menu, these tabs, click on Window and then click on AssetStore. you will see a message that shows the AssetStore has moved. You can visit the AssetStore website from 2021 onwards and also import your purchases from the package manager. So in the older versions of Unity, the AssetStore will pop up in this tab, but now we have to browse it with an external browser. And what is the AssetStore? AssetStore is Unity's store for selling and getting assets, selling and buying assets. And there are also a ton of free assets that you can download. These assets contain anything that may occur to your mind. It has some 3D assets, 2D assets, tools. In the previous video, we talked about components, and tools are scripts and components that help you to build quickly, and all of this help you. If you are an artist, you can search for the tools. If you are a programmer and you don't want to draw or make 3D models, you can choose 3D or 2D for importing art into your game. And even if you have the skills, you can also import these assets to make your game better or save time for your projects. And these are categories, and you can also search up here that you can see or search city generator, which are tools that generate city for you. And like you see, most of them are paid assets, but this one is free. And you can also go back to the main page, and for example, you click on 3D, and right here you see some filters. We are in 3D, but we can more specifically choose 3D characters, and then choose the version in Unity 2021, and then make sure that we check free assets. You see a lot of free assets here, and you can also filter the release date, platform, and something else. But the most important thing is Unity versions, because some of these assets doesn't work with the older versions of Unity. For example, if I open an asset like this, because I guess it's new, and yes, you can see you have to have Unity version 2080.4.21 or newer version. And for instance, you can't open this asset with Unity 5. So this is the AssetStore, and I hope this video was useful to you. And when you click on add to my assets, another window pop up, and that window is package manager. In this package manager, we have packages that are currently in this project, and you can see them. There are also another package that called Unity VJST. These are Unity's official packages that you can download based on your project. For example, we have a package called Android Logcat. This package is useful for someone who wants to build an app or a game for Android. But if you want to build a PC game, then this is not the right package to add. And in my assets, we can see all the assets that we bought on Unity Store. And you can see I have a lot of them. And you can also choose to load more assets, because currently it shows only 25 of my 111 packages. I can choose to load and show me 25 and 25 other ones, but I can choose all, and then it shows all of my assets that I have. And that's it for this video. It was very simple, and I want to just to show you, even if you don't have enough knowledge to build a game, you can build it with these assets, but the final product isn't going to be something nice. So even if you have a basic knowledge and you want to create something, try to write it on a paper and then create it, because these assets are sometimes bad things that you will download them and never use them, and because they are new and tempting to buy, but all of the things matter is that the game or the app that you want to build. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you found it useful, you can help me by like and subscribing this channel.